Grade your ride with these top 8 Amazon motorcycle gadgets. Concert earplugs, a dash cam, a chain lock with alarm, a motorbike tube, heated gloves, a phone mount, and all mentioned gadgets links are listed in description. Introducing the motorcycle chain lock with alarm. Crafted from durable, rustless alloy aluminum. IPX6 waterproof, built to withstand any weather. Bright green cable deters theft, and the 100 dB alarm ensures everyone notices. Feel secure parking anywhere, no more fear of losing your ride. This lead backpack requires connecting to a power bank for use, but please note that the power bank is not included in the product. Therefore, it is necessary for you to prepare. Search on your mobile phone or directly scan the code to download the app. Plug in the mobile power supply through the built-in USB data port on the back. Turn on the Bluetooth and scan the QR code to bind the backpack. You can connect the device and use it. Cool gift. LED Smart Night Backpack Appearance Purchase 3D Hardcore Waterproof Material. The back with using 1680 PVC 48 Astros 48 full color. The matrix screen. Support text, pictures, GIF, and other formats. Adjustable shoulder strap size. Breathable material for the back. Advanced filter technology reduces noise up to 24 dB NRR, evenly to maintain the full spectrum of sound while protecting hearing. Mumba concert earplugs deliver crisp, clear sound at a safe volume. The musician's earplugs come with an aluminum container and a carabiner that you can hang it on your keychain and carry it around with you wherever you go. Suitable for concerts, musicians, drummer, percussion. The soft, reusable earplugs for concerts keep you comfortable whether you're making music or dancing to.
This video will show you how to install and use the new Insta360 motorcycle bundle. Heavy-duty clamp mount. Attach this mount to your handlebar for an epic perspective of the rider's view and the environment. Place the clamp on the handlebar and turn the knob clockwise to tighten it. If the handlebar surface is smooth, use the included wrench to tighten the clamp and ensure it's secure. Align the 1/4-inch screw hole on the bottom of the camera with the screw on the heavy-duty clamp mount. Turn the lock wheel clockwise until it is tight to secure the camera. To loosen the camera and adjust the angle, turn the knob counterclockwise for 2 or more turns. Once adjusted, turn the knob clockwise to tighten and lock the angle. Flexible adhesive mount. Unlock more perspectives using the flexible adhesive mount. Perfect for mounting on gas caps, windshields, helmets, and more. Before mounting, wipe the surface with a cleaning wipe and ensure the surface is dry and smooth. Peel off the bottom sticker and stick the flexible adhesive mount to the surface. Press and hold for around 30 seconds to ensure it is securely attached. Please note that the bottom adhesive sticker is one-time use and cannot be restuck elsewhere. After sticking, leave it for 24 hours before use. The flexible adhesive mount has a 3-prong adapter. You can attach a camera with a 1/4-inch screw hole using the adapter.
This sturdy motorcycle and bike phone holder keeps your phone secure, even on bumpy roads, with a locking red switch for extra safety. It features silicone pads for shockproof protection, preventing scratches and vibrations. The holder fits phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including iPhones and Galaxy models. Easily adjust the phone's position for GPS, music, or calls while riding. Installation is tool-free, and it fits handlebars 0.59 to 1.57 inches, making it compatible with bikes, motorcycles, strollers. Introducing the ultimate motorcycle inner tube, designed for rugged terrains and built to last. Crafted with a robust 3mm thickness and puncture-resistant butyl rubber, it ensures steady performance no matter where you ride. Perfect for motocross, off-road, and dirt bike riders. It's tailored for enhanced protection of both rider and bike. Equipped with a TR4 valve stem for easy installation and compatibility across various tire sizes. The seamless construction helps prevent air leaks, keeping your pressure steady for longer rides. Built for the toughest off-road conditions, this inner tube is your dependable choice for any adventure. The AstroAI tire inflator offers quick, efficient inflation with dual power options, working with both 12V car cigarette lighters and 120V home outlets. It features high pressure and high volume modes, making it perfect for inflating car tires, bikes, sports equipment, and air mattresses. With innovative omni-vent heat dissipation technology, it ensures faster cooling for longer use, and it can inflate a flat tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes. The inflator shuts off automatically when the preset pressure is reached and remembers the last settings for convenience. A built-in LED light allows for safe nighttime use, and the air hose compartment ensures easy storage of all accessories. The AstroAI tire inflator is a fast, reliable, and convenient tool for any inflating task.
Introducing A5 system from Innov, designed and built for those who demand more. For those who live for the thrill of discovery and adventure. For those who are unwilling to compromise or turn back. It's packed with features that no simple action camera can offer. It is in our human nature to tell our story, to share sights and experiences with those who understand our passion. Imagine you could design a perfect camera system. What would it look like? How can you truly capture an experience? How far would you go to ensure your safety? Life is good, and now it's even better with Innov's remarkable new K5 camera system.